Hello everyone, this is your weather on the fly outlook and discussion for Monday, May 5th, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 1 to 3. For today, there is an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms across far southeast New Mexico into southwest Texas. An omega blocking pattern continues to develop over the U.S., with two meandering upper lows over the Ohio River Valley and southwest respectively. Northward moisture advection and ascent on the eastern periphery of both upper lows will promote another day of scattered thunderstorms, including strong to severe storms, across the central Appalachians and mid-Atlantic and southern high plains into the Intermountain West. Upper-level diffluence over the southern high plains will continue to promote gradual surface pressure falls and a southeasterly return flow regime across far eastern New Mexico and western Texas through much of the day. Although moisture return will initially be somewhat modest, persistent broad-scale ascent over the region will result in cooling temperatures aloft and steepening mid-level lapse rates that should compensate for the poor moisture quality. Thunderstorm development is expected initially within a warm advection regime across south-central Texas by early afternoon, with additional storm development by late afternoon across the Permian Basin in closer proximity to a deepeningly trough and sharpening dry line. Across both regions, deep layer wind shear on the order of 50 knots should promote supercells, with an attendant threat for large hail. Across south-central Texas, higher quality moisture and stronger low-level veering may support a tornado threat. Additional strong to severe storms are possible along the eastern Florida coast and from eastern North Carolina into the central Appalachians and upper Ohio River Valley. For Tuesday, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms from central Texas into the Sabine Valley. With the blocking pattern still in place, the upper lows in the Ohio Valley and southwest will continue to make slow progress on Tuesday. A shortwave trough on the base of the upper low is expected to eject into the southern plains. This will promote severe potential across much of the region into the lower Mississippi Valley. Rich moisture will continue to push into much of Texas, and a warm front will lift to near the Red River. Severe winds, large to very large hail, and a few tornadoes are possible, with additional isolated strong to severe storms capable of large hail and isolated wind damage will be possible within parts of the northern mid-Atlantic states. For Wednesday, an elongated upper low within the southwest into the southern plains will weaken as it slowly moves eastward on Wednesday. The strongest, but decreasing with time, mid-level winds will reside along the Gulf Coast. At the surface, weak boundaries are expected to extend from the lower Mississippi Valley into South Texas. Confidence in organized severe weather remains too low for any delineation areas at this time. Be sure to share, like and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.